Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to verify your YouTube account so you can upload custom thumbnails. The process is very simple, and it only takes a few minutes to complete. First, open your browser and go to youtube.com/verify. Make sure you're signed into the YouTube account that you want to verify. Once you're on the verification page, you'll see two options. You can either receive a verification code by text message or through a voice call. Select your country from the drop-down list, choose your preferred method, text or call, and then enter your phone number. After that, click on Get Code. YouTube will send you a 6-digit verification code. Once you receive the code, enter it in the box provided and click on Submit. If the code is correct, you'll see a message that says your YouTube account has been successfully verified. After verification, several advanced features will be unlocked on your channel. You'll now be able to upload custom thumbnails, post videos longer than 15 minutes, start live streams, and appeal Content ID claims. That's it. You've successfully verified your YouTube account and can now use custom thumbnails to make your videos stand out. Thank you for watching.